Hi guys, so I'm making this video in continuation with the introduction video which I made earlier. I had to make this second video because I need to clear some things before we start. So before we begin, one thing I want to make it very clear to you is that neither I am going to give you any trading or investment tips, nor this channel is till date promising you any type of course. So here on this channel, we are solely going to talk about the financial literacy and not any financial advice in any case. So I hope this is all very clear to you. One thing I want to inform you is that we have our accounts in other social media platforms as well. So you can ask your queries or give suggestions there as well, or you can comment them down below also. So guys, let's start. So before getting started, following are the things which you need to keep in mind, and you can ask your queries to us to get them resolved personally also. So guys, the very first thing which I want you to know is that you need to be educated well enough. You need to be able to make out what you are doing is right and what you are doing is wrong for the long term. The other thing is that you need to set your goals accordingly. The goal setting plays a major role in order to provide you a perfect strategy plan for investing for future. The other very important thing is that you need to develop a particular strategy, and once you develop your particular strategy, you need to work upon it. And if suppose that strategy is not working, it is giving you loss, so you need to change it, and you don't need to get it into an ego like this strategy, if it is not working for me and it is my strategy, I will follow it and I will show to the world that I will make profit from that strategy. No, that is not the case, and that is not done also. So you need to change the strategy and you need to switch to any other strategy as soon as a particular strategy start giving you losses. The other thing which I want to tell you is diversification of investments. Now guys, diversification of your investment is very necessary so that you do not go into huge losses just by investing in one particular stock or one particular investment. If suppose that investment, that stock got bankrupt or the value got decreased so less that your capital is in a huge loss, so that is when the diversification of investment portfolio comes into play. So you can choose various other investment options available in the market, just like fixed deposits, SIPs, mutual funds, etc., which gives you a sense of satisfaction that yes, my capital is not going to be lost fully if a particular investing option goes bankrupt for whatever the case may be. Now the next other thing which comes majorly into play is that you need to review and rebalance your investments. So guys, you need to be regular in reviewing and rebalancing your investment options. Now guys, once you start your investments, the other thing which you need to keep in mind is that you need to regularly keep informed that how the rates are increasing or decreasing, how they are changing with the time. So you can make the decisions accordingly, that how you need to change your strategy accordingly, and in which investment you need to invest what amount of money. Now one of the most important thing which you need to keep in mind is that you also need to keep your emotions away from your investment. Like you need to play with your mind, you need to trick your psychology so that you do not over invest in a particular investment if it is going much higher, if it is performing much better, and you need not worry about the losses in other investment. Now guys, if possible for you, I would suggest that it would be better if you seek any professional advice. Now seeking professional advice will make you worry free from all the points I told you in the earlier segment. You will not need to keep a check on your investment portfolio regularly. You will have some sense of satisfaction that someone is there, some professional is there, some trained person is there who is there to look into your investment and make decisions responsibly. See guys, at a particular age, we all need some amount of money for our various purposes, for fulfilling our wishes. So guys, you need to start early in the investments, and you need to be patient as to how you will get the consistent returns from them in future. So guys, for investment, the goal setting plays a major role. So guys, you need to be very careful about for what goal you are investing in which option. So you need to set your goals accordingly and invest in particular investment options accordingly. Now guys, now comes the most important point of all these points which I have told you earlier, is that you don't need to fall into trap of anyone. Like there are various influencers those who give financial advice. They are basically called the finfluencers. If you will see, they will show you the whole luxury cars, and they will show you what the lifestyle they are living, and you don't need to get influenced by them. You should invest sincerely, invest accordingly, and yes, you need to be very careful on your strategy. You need to be confident on your strategy and invest slowly in order to get consistent return in future. Guys, nowadays you might be seeing that there is a rise of these influencers on the platforms, various platforms like Instagram, and you might be seeing some reels, shorts that they show their portfolio and their huge profits, and you get influenced by them. Guys, they are all edited. Even I can make those edited portfolios. So you need to be very careful while following or while choosing which influencer you are following. You need to make sure that he or she is legit, is SEBI registered, and is not showing what is false. Because see, now the time is gradually coming in which these influencers, those who are showing these false luxuries, those who are giving false hopes to their audience, are slowly getting exposed. Now the people are becoming more mature, they are understanding what is right and what is wrong, and that is when the financial literacy and this channel comes into play. So I tell you guys, only those will sustain who will provide the correct knowledge, the legit knowledge to their audience, and rest, those who are giving the false claims, the false hopes to the audience, they are slowly going to have a very dark future. Now, so guys, these all were the points which I wanted to tell you for this introduction video of mine. We'll talk about all of them in our further videos. Till then, that is all for this video. Thank you guys.